Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topic, list, types of the list in HTML. In my previous lecture, I explained you how to write the program code in HTML. What is the structure of program? So let's move on. Today's lecture, list in HTML. So here two types of list. First one is a ordered list and second one is a unordered list. Just take one example. Here some items: pen, notebook, pin, eraser. So if I want to make a list and give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a ordered list. Order means every number is on a specific order. Okay, then list type 2. In place of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, we can type here ABCD also, or capital ABCD also. So these two types of list are ordered list. Unordered means like this. If we place here bullets, so this is an unordered list. Clear? So in place of these bullets, we can set the any other type of bullet. So this is an unordered list where the sequence is not important. The list where sequence is not important, there we insert the unordered list, and where sequence is important, so there we use a ordered list. Okay, so let's see how to make the program code for ordered and unordered list. So first open the notepad window, then type the code, type the program code. First tag is HTML. This is called the HTML tag. This is a beginning tag. Okay, first tag. Then head tag. So here the heading, type the heading here, ordered list. This heading is display on the heading of your program, heading of your page, heading of your web page. Clear? Then here head close is closed, head open, head closed. It is very must. Then third tag, title. Write down here list. I give the title of this slide is list, and this title is shown in the title bar of the web page. Then title tag is closed using this slash line. Title tag is closed using the slash line. All the tags, close tag having this slash line. Clear? Then next tag is body. Here we will write the contents of our program, and our question is ordered list. Ordered list. Your question is make a ordered list. Okay, then this is a ordered list. So start your program from HTML tag. Here P is for paragraph tag. Just start your writing, and I give the heading list of items. Then BR for line break, BR for next line. I want to make a list next to the list of item, this heading. Then ordered list is start from this OL tag. OL means ordered list. O for ordered, L for list. Then all the list items, all the items in the LI tag. LI means list item. First open the OL tag, ordered list tag, then type the LI for all list item. So first item is coffee, first item close. Then LI for next item. I write here tea. Then LI, this item is closed. Again LI tag is open. Next item. Then this item. Again this item, and my last item is this. Okay, so I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 items. Okay, and here our type of list is ordered list. All the list items in the list item tag. This is a list item tag. Again, close list item tag for after a name of all the items. Then if our list item is completed, then close the ordered list. All the tags must have closed. Okay, so ordered list, this tag is open here, and after writing all the items, ordered list OL tag is closed. Then body tag closed, then HTML tag closed. The next step is save this file. So press Ctrl S using the keyboard and type the file name here. So type the file name ordered list -1. Okay, this is my file name. Then .htm. It is very important to write the extension with the file name .htm or .html. Clear? Then here destination place, select the destination place. I want to save this file on the desktop, so I select the desktop here. Then save button, click on the save button. Then minimize all the windows. Here, this is my file ordered list. So open this file. Yes, just see here, this is the list. I write the list in a title tag. So list is shown here on a title bar. Then ordered list, here 2 times of ordered list is here because we write here ordered list also, and our heading is ordered list. So here 2 times of ordered list here. So no need to write this heading. So just delete it. Again, Ctrl S. If we edit any contents, edit any line, then again press Ctrl S for save. Then open your file. Then press on the refresh button. So ordered list, then list item. So see here the list items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 items is here. Clear? Then again, if we want to give any specific type of number, then for example, I want to give the numbers small a, b, c, d, e. Okay, so just change here in this tag, in the OL tag, type here type, type equals, then in inverted comma a. Okay, that means in this way, just Ctrl S, press the Ctrl S for save. Again open your file, because I just edit this program, okay, previous program. So Ctrl S and then press on the refresh key. So just see here the numbers replaced by A, B, C, D. Why? Because we use type equals to A. If I write here type equals to capital A and write down this A in a double inverted comma, so again Ctrl S. Just now I write here capital A, then Ctrl S, then open your file, then refresh button, your list A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? So in this way you can insert the ordered list. Clear, student? So write it down in your notebook. It's very important, and practice at your home. So I hope you understood. Thank you very much.